Hakone is a very popular 1 to 2 day weekend trip for people living in Tokyo and international tourists around the world. This place is part of the Fuji Hakone Izu National Park and is popular for its famous hot springs and breathtaking views. Before everything else, we booked a Hakone pre-pass in Klook prior to going on this trip. This will help us travel Hakone for 2 days seamlessly from the train, cable car, and the pirate ship. A good tip for everyone going to Hakone as well: redeem your Hakone pre-pass a day before in Odakyu Sightseeing Service Center in Shinjuku West so that you can leave earlier during the day of your trip. The office opens at 8 a.m. If you would like a more comfortable trip, you can upgrade to Romance car going and returning from Hakone. There is an additional 1,200 yen fee one way if you would like to have a reserved seat. The Romance car is a reserved seating train from Shinjuku Station to Hakone Yumoto Station. Take a look on how the seat changes back at the station. Amazing! It takes around 1.5 hours to go to Shinjuku Station to Hakone Yumoto Station. You can eat inside this train, unlike the normal train included in the pre-pass that is free of charge. The view is also amazing. You can see the autumn colors outside. It would have been better during the peak season. There's also a toilet inside the train, so don't worry about that. It's very clean with a sink, so you can wash your hands after use. They also have a vending machine for drinks if you get thirsty. After getting off Hakone, go to platform 3 to ride the train to Gora Station, where you will transit to Hakone Ropeway. The Hakone Ropeway is located between Sozan Station and Owakudani Station. There is an area where you are over 130 meters up high from the ground. It also offers stunning views including Mount Fuji on the left and Owakudani on the right. Owakudani is the volcanic valley in Hakone. It is part of the crater area from Mount Hakone's last eruption 3,000 years ago. The black egg is the most popular attraction here in Owakudani. There's a lot of variety to choose from smoked eggs, quail eggs, and even dessert black eggs. And one of the most popular is the boiled black eggs cooked from the sulfur vents of the volcanic valley below. It is believed that by eating these eggs, your lifespan will increase by 5 to 7 years. Hopefully that's true. It only costs 500 yen for 4 eggs, so you can share it around with your group. Only the outside is black though, and it tastes just like a normal hard-boiled egg. Owakudani is a nice place to spend your lunch, and it really has a great view of Mount Fuji. We are very lucky to have seen Fujisan during our visit. It is now time to go to Togendai to ride the pirate ship. This sightseeing ship connects Togendai with the other 2 ports on the other side of Lake Ashi, Hakone Machiko and Moto Hakoneko. This cruise will take around 30 to 40 minutes from Togendai to the other side of the lake. There's a lot of people outside of the ship to get a better view of the lake outside. You can also see the other pirate ships in the lake. All of the ships have different designs. We got off Moto Hakoneko Station and waited for the bus going to Amazake, Chaya. This Japan Heritage Teahouse was founded 400 years ago as a resting place of the people at that time walking from Kyoto to Tokyo in the Tokaido route. The tea house was being repaired during our visit, but there's still a lot of visitors. We ordered their famous Amazake for 400 yen each, chikaramochi for 500 yen, and miso oden for 450 yen. The vibe inside is amazing. It's like you've been transported back during the Edo period. And before we ended our first day in Hakone, we went to a private onsen where we were offered free drinks when we first checked in for our overnight stay. Going to a private onsen is part of our bucket list, so we save a lot for this experience. So let's first have a room tour. When you enter, you can already see the entirety of the room. Our room has tatami floors with a sitting area, and in the evening, the employees will put the futon in the area during our dinner. It has a nice automatic toilet just beside the entrance. And the room also have some amenities like this delicious roasted tea and green tea bags. Let's proceed to the bath area. It has a double sink complete with all the amenities. It also boasts a full skincare routine and a hair dryer. Before you enter the onsen, you should take a bath first in the shower area. It also has available shampoo and conditioner. And after you take your bath, time to soak into your private onsen. It seems small at first, but you can fit 2 people inside. You also have a lounge outside to take in the beautiful view of the hot spring town outside. We took a nice bath in the onsen and wore these yukata in time for the dinner service. Our dinner was served in a different room and we were given the menu of the night. This is the 12-course kaiseki dinner service full of autumn ingredients. Here is the compilation of our dinner. They serve us a different assortment of appetizer to start us off. Then look at this amazing sashimi. We also have these unique food items like this soup grilled yuzu tofu, then this yummy steamed grilled yellowtail. For me, this is the best part of the dinner. This amazing beef steak cooked in stone stand together with mushrooms and vegetables. Melts in my mouth. What Japanese dinner is without rice? It's a little bit weird though since they serve the rice at the end of the meal instead of at the beginning. We finished the dinner off with this cream cheese cake. The 12-course dinner was amazing. It took us over an hour to finish everything, and we were full. When we returned to our rooms, our futon beds were already set up for us to sleep. Time to drink green tea before we slept. In the morning, we woke up to this amazing breakfast. I especially love this hot pot of mushrooms and vegetables, white bait, and this squid sashimi. For dessert, we got this delicious mango yogurt and this melon. First time I tried Japanese melon since it's very expensive in Japan. Before we went back to Tokyo, we walked around Hakone Yumoto station and tried to eat some street foods while waiting for our train back. One of the stores outside also have a foot bath to enjoy our snacks. A tip to travelers: if you have a lot of luggage but still want to walk around the area free of bags, you can proceed to Hakone Yumoto Station and store your luggage at the coin lockers. Let's walk around and try some of these food items around Hakone Yumoto Station. First is the very cheap and popular 80 yen Hakone Manju for only 80 yen. You can observe how these are made outside their store. Tastes great and very affordable. Next is Hakone Tiramisu just beside the Hakone Manju store. Their best item is the tiramisu soft cream for 550 yen. Next place we tried is Jokomachi pudding. There's a lot of different varieties of pudding shaped like an egg. We got this one for 420 yen. You squeeze the caramel in the pudding and tada! It's ready to be eaten. In the same store, you can also order pork hamburger steak skewers by Oyakata Hamburg for 600 yen. It came out great and delicious. Nice to pair with the pudding. Both of them taste amazing and is worth it. The last snack we tried was this fried sweet potato by Hakone Oimo Daigakokumae inside Hakone Yumoto Station. We got the salted butter fried sweet potatoes for 300 yen. This is a nice snack for an affordable price. And now, it's time to go back to Shinjuku Station. Make sure to sit at the left side of the train if you want to see Mount Fuji. And that's it for this video. Thanks for watching!